let's have a look at how we're going. We open that up and we can see that this acrylic has run all the way around, and we can see that that is just a little bit light in colour, which probably means that it's just a little bit underpacked, and if we weren't to put some more in here, that would end up a little bit porous at the end. So I'm taking off the excess from around there. Then I'm just going to add a tiny little bit on either side again. One there and one there. Put my paper back over it. And then we're going to press it out again. And this is just to make sure that I've got a nice dense mix of acrylic. So again, just tightening it by hand and letting that excess acrylic run out. And tightening it here. See that needle drops down a little bit, that means the acrylic is running out. So we pump it up again and you'll watch it drop down. Remember to be patient with this, because this makes or breaks the denture in terms of how dirty it might be later. See the excess running up there? And now you can see that that's a lot shinier and a lot more dense. And that's what we're looking for. We know we've got a nice dense acrylic that's not going to have micro porosity in it. So I'm just running around and taking off the excess around here. Just roughly taking it off, putting the plastic back over, and then I'm going to press it out again a little bit more. The idea is that we want to press it out until we've got none or very little flash running, because if we've got flash, it means that our bite will be open when we put this back on the articulator, and we don't want the bite to be open. If someone tells you that right at the end you should add in a little bit more before you close your flask to cure it, you smile at them nicely and say yes, but you don't do it, because that will definitely ensure that you've got an open bite. People suggest that because they're worried that the acrylic mightn't be dense enough. Let's trust ourselves to look at the acrylic and see that shiny surface and know that we've got the acrylic nice and dense. Once you can see that this needle is not dropping much at all, you know that we've got the flask closed together. One last check. Still a little bit of flash there, even though I didn't put any more in. I've still got a little bit of flash.
That's what you just have to keep working on to hold it.
Okay.
I'm
just going to press it one more time to make sure I don't have any bite at me.